All the attention about the Apple Watch Ultra has been about the unique design and performance. Some are even more concerned about its bands. But did you know the watch can save your life?
I had no idea.
Apple includes features such as crash detection, backtracking, Siren, fall detection, health notifications, etc. in the Ultra to give you the quick health response in case of an emergency.
It literally saved my life.
Here are the top 3 life-saving features of the Apple Watch Ultra that you need to start using. Let's begin, shall we? 3. Fall detection. Fall detection has been a common feature among most of Apple's watches. For example, the Apple SE, Series 4, and all newer Apple Watches have this feature. It is not surprising then that the Apple Watch Ultra improves this highly life-saving feature. If you accidentally fell from a staircase or simply tripped over a wet surface while wearing your Apple Watch Ultra, you can depend on the fall detection feature of the Apple Watch Ultra to be your helping hand in case there's no one around to assist you.
The watch combines 2 tools, an accelerometer which detects velocity and a gyroscope which detects the Earth's gravity. Together, the 2 can alert the watch of a bad fall. When this happens, it asks if you want to call emergency services. If your watch detects that you're moving, it waits for you to respond to the alert, and it won't automatically call emergency services. If it detects that you haven't moved for about a minute, it will make the call automatically.
However, the watch can only place an automatic emergency call if you have the wrist detection option on. Head to the Settings app, enter your password, and then toggle it on. After this setting, if you stay immobile for 1 minute after a fall, the Apple Watch Ultra will begin a 15-second countdown where an increasing alarm sound from the watch will try to attract the attention of a passerby to help you. If you still lay down after the countdown without movements, the watch will automatically reach out to an emergency service for you. If taking just 1 minute to get your help seems impressive for you, then you should wait to know how quick the Apple Watch Ultra can call for an SOS emergency service should it detect a severe car crash. Stay tuned. To enable or disable fall detection, open the My Watch tab in the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap on Emergency SOS, and then turn fall detection on or off. Simple. Note, however, that if the birth date you enter when setting up your Apple Watch Ultra or adding it to the Health app on iPhone indicates that you're 55 or older, fall detection is turned on automatically. If you're between the ages of 18 and 55, you can turn on fall detection manually. This feature is by far one of the best life-saving features on the Ultra. You'll want to watch till the end to know our best pick and why. Journey with us.
Off we go!
2. Backtrack. Have you ever been lost while going for a hike? What about not finding your way back to your friends when you went for an outdoor camping trip? You don't want to be in either of these situations. But what if it happens? The Apple Watch Ultra has a safety feature that can save your life and get you back home or to friends. I'm talking about the backtracking feature in the Apple Watch Ultra's improved GPS. This feature does not only keep track of waypoints that can direct your path back home, but also it can literally hold your hand and walk you back using a flashlight directional feature. Let me show you how it works. When you start your outdoor activity, be it hiking or whatever, the Apple Watch Ultra can track your path if you permit Apple to do so. Open the Compass app, tap on the shoe icon and permit Apple to track your journey. Now when you forget your way back, you can then tap on the same icon to display a map that will guide you back using a directional flashlight icon.
Very easy to use.
It is simple to use yet highly important, and that is why it is our second best life-saving feature on Apple Watch Ultra. In case you still struggle to find your path home, you can also go for the Siren option to call for emergency help. We will talk more about that soon. Keep watching. We discuss the best life-saving feature on the Apple Watch Ultra in a minute, but before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay informed about anything Apple related. We're here to give you the best and trending news about Apple. 1. Crash detection. The last thing you can ever wish for is to be involved in a car crash. It is even scarier if you are alone in the car during the incident. Reaching out for immediate health care could some way become a problem. But thankfully, the Apple Watch Ultra can detect severe car crashes and send out emergency calls for help within a blink of an eye. If your watch determines a crash, it will display an emergency call slider on the screen, which you can choose to dismiss the alert to prevent the watch from calling for an emergency care. However, if you do not respond 20 seconds after the crash detection, the watch will automatically reach out to an emergency service. It would also send alerts and your location to your emergency contacts, informing them that you've been involved in a crash. Again, it would also display a medical ID slider for emergency respondents to have an idea of your medical conditions. The crash detection feature could be the deciding factor that could save your life. As such, Apple has it automatically turned on. But if for some reason you wish to keep it off on your Apple Watch Ultra, you can do so by opening the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, and then in the My Watch tab, tap Emergency SOS. Finally, toggle off the Call After Severe Crash button to turn it off. Siren. These are the 3 best life-saving features on the Apple Watch Ultra, but there are some equally important ones you should know. They could save your life as well. One is the Siren feature. This could be very helpful should you find yourself lost. In such a situation, you can simultaneously press the action and side buttons on your Apple Watch Ultra to release an 86 decibel emergency loud sound that can reach about 600 feet away.
Look, I've just pressed a button triggering a silent alarm.
If that is not enough to alert people nearby, you can also use the SOS emergency call option on the Siren screen to reach out to your emergency contacts for help. Health notifications. These may not be used for instant emergencies, but they are equally life-saving tools. You can permit your Apple Watch Ultra to send you notifications about high and low heart rates and irregular heartbeats that you might be experiencing. It is an important way of reminding you to seek medical treatment before the symptoms accumulate and cause greater harm. It can also measure and inform you about the oxygen level of your blood, another way to keep fit. Final words. These features prove how important the Apple Watch Ultra is, not only for the outdooring activities as Apple puts it, but also for keeping you alive. The fall detection, backtracking, siren, and health notification features are great life-saving tools, but none compares to the crash detection feature. It is able to make second, very quick calls for emergency services, even if you are not connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular internet, and can as well inform your emergency contacts about your exact location should there be a serious car crash. This is why it is our best pick. Which of the features are you going for and why? Let's get interactive in the comments section below. The Apple Watch Ultra and its features are amazing, but there is some information about the watch Apple wouldn't want you to know. Click on the link to watch these 3 facts about Apple Watch Ultra Apple wouldn't want you to know. You'll be amazed. Do well to share it with your friends as well. See you next time.